What is going on, Joyriders? So today we're going to do a little bit of a video. You probably already know what we're doing. I don't know if I've ever told anybody this before, but he actually is the original owner of this car.
Yep.
I bought it off of Sean when that was back when was that, 2011? It was a long time ago.
Yeah,
it was like back in the day.
Yep.
Long time ago. He was trying to get rid of the car to do like grown-up shit, like buy a house. But anyways, back when you had the car, you had it when it was like completely stock and you did the pulley and stuff like that, 556.
I bought it with 1,900 miles on it and it was virtually stock. It had some weird wheels on it.
Yeah,
and
really weird.
Then I did basic bolt-ons and JD did wheels and bought the car.
Yep. And then once he got rid of the car, and then you had a little bit of a moment to where he wanted to get something else. You guys probably remember the Ego Killer.
Yep.
That was his car. He had that for a little bit, got rid of it, and now he's doing truck stuff.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna show, he hasn't seen the VMP, the Gen 3, so I'm gonna go ahead and show him that real quick. It's been a while since you've seen this car.
Yeah.
Pop this.
It looks a lot like the Gen 2.
It looks a lot like the Gen 2.
Different plating, right? So
I had the original, like the Gen 1 VMP.
Yeah, the Gen 1,
yeah.
The
And
one piece is nice.
yeah, it's all one piece, and it's a little bit bigger too. I mean, it's a 2650, which the other one's a 2.3.
Yep. Yeah. Let's go for a ride.
We're only at 27,065 miles. That's crazy.
And I got it when I had 1,900 and sold it to you with what, 10,000?
10,000.
Yeah.
So
and that was back in 2012 or roughly.
I think it was 2011.
It might have been 11, yeah. Because I got it in 10, I believe. And I had it a year.
You had it exactly
11.
a year. So I got in 2011 off of you, and I've only put 17,000 miles on it.
Wow.
I've been driving this thing.
Yeah. Not.
It's been a while, man, since you've been in this thing.
Yeah, it has. Too long.
Too long? Does it feel the same?
Yeah, dude, it's powerful.
No, like as far as like, I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, the suspension feels a little better now with, I think, these tires.
Yeah, the tires.
The other ones felt a little more soft and would move around a little more.
And the BMR suspension too helped out a lot.
Yeah, I haven't felt that either, so.
Yeah.
It does feel more planted just from what we felt so far.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go do maybe a couple quick little pulls. We may swap seats, let Sean drive it, and see what he actually thinks behind the wheel of the car. And damn, dude, that sun is so bright. That was just spinning. And we had a car coming.
Yeah. Had to let off. Yeah, it feels nasty.
It feels nasty, but
we need traction.
Because Sean's wearing a t-shirt, he's just crazy. It's actually cold out.
Yeah.
I don't know why you're wearing a t-shirt.
I don't know why you have the window down.
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, it's like 40 degrees out. So.
And we're on a back road that is horrible with little pebbles. And sometimes when I drive on these roads, you guys can always hear the little pebbles and stuff.
totally different car. Yeah, it feels good.
It feels good?
Oh yeah, and the pull, it's just set you back the whole way.
The whip will never set you back like that, did it?
No, not even my Cobra. That initial punch is just, it's as strong as it is on the initial punch as it is at 6,000 RPMs.
Yes, and Redline's at like 7, but I usually tend to shift around like 6 or so.
Yeah, so, yeah, it feels so much better. It feels like
how it
the
should
powers, yeah, like how it should, yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It feels like a totally different car, dude.
It does, doesn't it? Here, all right, we're gonna do Chinese fire drill.
All right. So not only did it feel more powerful, it felt like it hooked so much better.
Oh yeah.
Like it felt so much more planted.
Oh, you're trying to get the seat situated. So we did a quick little Chinese fire drill. Sean's actually one of the few people I let drive my car. So this is gonna be a little bit different. The last time I rode in the car is when that dude in blue did a review on it. I miss this car. It's the first person that's ever driven the car since it's been built. Was it worth it?
Give me a break here. Yes, absolutely. I had such a good time, dude. Like, when I got in this car, I was like, I'm trying to remember what it kind of felt like. I got in and I was like, oh, it's like riding a bike. It's so much fun to drive. It's easy to drive. It might not look like it.
And it felt good.
It's been a while since I've been in a car like this, so I'll probably wait till we get straight too.
Yeah. I usually do like a second. That's it's so different riding in the passenger seat. Oh my god.
Second gear just lit them up.
Yeah, you were spinning.
Yeah.
I think I had a little bit more traction when I did.
You did, yeah.
Feels good.
Second gear, it just doesn't want to hook.
No.
Dude, it feels so good. Feels good to be home. Dude, it feels so much better.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to talk him into getting another Mustang, but
I'll just drive yours.
Just drive mine. Yeah, I am getting another project car. If you guys didn't see that video, you need to check out that video. I was telling everybody that you said that if I sold the ST, that I can get another car, right?
Yeah. Like an Explorer or something?
Like, what car do you think, hon?
I said that...
I go over a few different cars that I had in mind that I was thinking about getting. Need to update you guys on my mom's car because a lot of people has asked about that. The wrap that she had was still on back order. Randy just got it. He was on vacation for a little bit and he had a few other cars that were in front that he had promised some customers to get done. And so as soon as he gets that done, he's gonna jump on my mom's car, get that wrap, and then we'll get a reveal for you guys with her new wrap and her update on her build. So, let's see. Are you gonna do another pool? You gonna send him off with a pool?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. She was skating.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this isn't really a good road to do that on because of, yeah, it's a lot of little loose pebbles. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks, Sean, for joining us.
No problem.
And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace. This is a beast, man.
Yeah. Isn't it so much fun?
Yeah.
Oh my
How's it
God.
feel over there? Have you haven't got a reaction video on that side, have you?
Oh, no, not really. I haven't. The only other, this is the second time ever riding in my car. And the other time was David driving it when he did the review on it.
Oh, okay.